These are all the original doors, and as you can see, they're fitted with brass handles. We no longer like brass handles, so my plan is to change them, and to do it on a budget. These are the handles I'm going to fit. This one is from JTF. It's approximately £3.59. This one's been on about a year, and contrary to my expectations, has actually held up extremely well. So I've bought a load of them, enough to do the landing, bar this one, which obviously is a toilet. I'm going to use existing catches. So the plan is purely to change the actual handles. If any of the catches wear out, or replace the catches as and when required. These brass handles will actually be weighed in at the scrappy. We should get about 20p for the lot. But better than a poke in the eye with a blunt stick, as they say. I find the old-fashioned screwdriver a little less troublesome. Can't remember whether I had to cut the square actuator that goes through the door. Obviously it depends on the length. If it needs to be cut, so be it. As you can see, the paint is going to have to be touched up, and also these handles, sorry, the actuator that goes through the middle, I don't know what the technical term for it is, it's far too long, so we need to cut off, I'd say a good ½ inch to actually get it to fit. I'll go and do that with the grinder downstairs and be back. Chopped half of that off, ½ inch of that off. And now, trick I think is to try and get them so that it's in the middle of the hole. It's the other side. So there you have it. It just needs the paint rubbing down and touching up. Might mean repainting the door, but that's the first of 6. This is the airing cupboard door, and this is the next one I'm going to do. And you might be surprised to find there's no handle on the inside. The reason for that is my wife puts her airing clothes made, as we call them, in there, and on a couple of occasions when the handle was on the inside, clothes made fell forward and I couldn't get the door undone. Ended up having to get something flat, I think it was a chisel or something, put it down the inside and actually flick the handle open, and after that I decided to remove the handle. There's no need for it on the inside, it's just a matching pair. The actuator has been cut already. As you can see, the actuator is stopped from coming out by the ultra high-tech method of wedging a bit of cardboard in there. Still, it does work. This is the last one of the 6 that I'm fitting today. It's also a little bit more complicated because although it's still got the catch, the actual middle part, the latch itself, is missing. This is my daughter's bedroom, and I can only assume that with it being a cupboard door, I never bothered. It obviously broke, and I never bothered to replace it. So I shall endeavour to fit one of these, assuming that it's the right one, which I think it is. So I'll fit one of those at the same time as the new handles. Okay, this is the after shot. I know it's not a lot, but I think it modernises it. Unfortunately, obviously the bathroom hasn't yet come, but for not a lot of money, I think it improves the look. A little bit less old-fashioned.